Hey there, everyone. This is Angela coming straight to you from Clackamas Community College. Yep, that's right. I'm on campus and so excited to share this fall 2022 semester with you. Now, let's go ahead and get started in GIS 201. If you're nervous about the technical aspect of this or the programming part of it, take a deep breath right now. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through every single aspect. And even when this stuff doesn't make any sense, the most important thing, especially in an online class, is communication. It's like if we were in a classroom and you're going to raise your hand, or if you're going to let me know that you needed support. We're there, we're in person, and you can just walk right up to me. When we're online, it's really important to make sure that whenever you're feeling an ounce of doubt, text me, call me, email me. I love my job. I love my students. I'm here for a reason. Please reach out to me, and I really look forward to meeting each and every one of you. So at Clackamas, we utilize Moodle. You're going to come onto our landing page here, and you're going to get an idea of there's going to be this welcome video here. I post announcements here, our syllabus, our schedule for the semester, our textbook, how we can meet online. We can also meet over the phone, it's fine. A little bit about me, and then any questions you might have. Now, our first module is already posted. We have a quick lecture on an overview of maps. The first thing I always want you to click on, though, is the overview. The overview is going to give you really a self-guided map of everything we're going to be doing in any given module. Most modules start on Monday and end on a Sunday. And if that's not the case, I will always give you the dates, as I do here. I always let you know the start date of a module and the end date of a module. That will always be posted for you. So how and when will we meet? Well, this is an asynchronous class, so we don't meet. What does that mean? It means you have 4 different ways that you can get a hold of me. You can get a hold of me through text, you can get a hold of me through my phone, through email, and if you're ever on campus, I do have an office on campus, and I would love to see you. If you're ever stuck, say, hey Angela, I want to meet on campus. Can we meet in person just to figure this out? Absolutely, yes. Now, the important part about this first week is getting signed on. What I have gone ahead and done is I have given all of you a login name and a password. So you are, in order to log into arcgis.com, which is our online software, you're literally just going to click on this. I'm going to walk you through it. Click on arcgis.com. It's going to pull up right now. You click sign in. And here it goes. Now here you'll notice my sign in. For you, what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to use your last name. So my last name is Armin. Dot first name. I have done this for you. Now, for some of you who have maybe a hyphenated or maybe a last name that might have some sort of an additional character, I've emailed you separately to let you know what that sign-in looks like. But for most of you, it's going to be your last name dot first name, and this will be how you have registered with the school. Some of you, I've noticed, have amazing names. Like, for example, let's say the name, maybe you're Matthew, but you go by Matt. But if you have your email is with Matthew, then please use Matthew. Or, for example, if your name is Michaela, and you might go by something different at home or with friends like Kayla, but you have signed up, for example, using the name Michaela at Clackamas, please use Michaela. So, now I have also given you a temporary password, and that is Clackamas with a capital C, LACKMAS 2022 punctuation, exclamation point to the max. You're going to click sign in, and then it is going to prompt you to create your own password. I have also enrolled you. I'm going to go ahead and give you an idea of what this is going to look like. Yep. No, it doesn't want to sign me in. There we go. Just took a minute. Alright, so when you come into view here, you're going to notice that you're going to be a part of our organization. You're also going to be in a group. I've already put you in a group, and that is GIS 201 for fall of 2022. This is going to be the place where you share your maps and turn in a lot of your maps. You can share data, and we can share our work. You can store your work here online. You go ahead and come over to this series of dots here, click on this. You can click on ArcGIS Online. You notice it's going to bring you right back to that home screen. You click on this again, and you click on Map Viewer Classic. This is where we're going to find our home this semester. So if you were wondering, how am I going to make maps? Do I need a fancy license code? What do I need to download on my computer? Well, guess what? This is how we make maps now. We make them using online integrated software. So we can create maps online, and then we can share them. But for this week, this is our first lab. So what you're going to do is tell me that you've signed in, and I'm going to be able to see that you have signed in. Oops. I'm going to be able to see that you've signed in by coming right here and clicking on members. It will tell me everyone who has been on.